Chapparel and Campbell. No, it's Scottsdale Road, I think.
Route to cross Chapparel Road. Route to cross Chapparel Road. Route Chapparel. What side is?
One quick round trip here.
Route to cross Scottsdale Road. Route to cross Scottsdale Road.
This one has peak signaling on it.
Route.
What the hell? Let the other guy go through first.
Wait. Route. What side of it?
20. Okay, that one I know for a fact is broken.
11, 10. Wait to cross Chapparel Road. Wait, Chapparel.
I think that's it. We might have to go back the other way.
Wait to cross Scottsdale Road. Wait.
What the hell?
Wait.
That one's counting down.
Wait. Wait.